Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexwebs.com. I am here with the final analysis of 22nd of February 2019. Okay guys, first of all, I congratulate all those traders because I have uploaded the video yesterday about the swing trade on Great Britain Pound AUD, and hopefully you people have caught the swing trade, and I'm sure that most of the people must have watched the video and they must have traded as per the recommendation. Okay, now let's talk about the today's analysis. So let's get started with New Zealand USD. This is the second signal of my signals report with a bullish expectation from 0.67855 and 0.68257 was the target price. And guys, here's the big move. Here we have seen that the market has moved strongly up and we have taken very good results on New Zealand USD. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish expectation from 130.448 and 131.192 was the target price. And guys, you can see the market has just break this level. It has taken the U-turn. It has taken it has break the level. If it continue the upward trend like this, then it can reach up to 131.192. So overall, a successful signal of the day. Okay, now let's talk about AUD USD. I'm going to take you towards the signals report with the same bullish expectation on AUD USD. 071079 was the bullish entry, and 061618 is the target price. And guys, you can see, however, the move was not very much strong, but overall, slowly, AUD USD has moved up, and it has given us a very good results on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about the USD CHF. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. A bearish trend was supplied in case of your USD CHF. 10038 is the bearish entry, and 099702 is the target price. And guys, you can see the drop is already here. Overall, the market was slow today because you know that we have a speech from Draghi today, and after that speech we have seen a slightly drop, but overall the other pairs have shown us a lot of volatility today. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. We have seen a big drop here, and we have already predicted this drop early in the morning. 132273 was the bearish entry, and 131860 was the target price. And guys, if you look at the chart here on USD Canadian dollar, the market already hit the target price. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on the recommendations of 200forexwebs.com. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD JPY. Simple as that I have supplied the bullish signal from 78705 and 79207 was the target price, and the price has already moved so much high from this level, and so hopefully all traders must have taken the profits. Even the rest of the signals were also satisfied, like Euro JPY. A bullish signal was here, however Great Britain Pound JPY bearish, and the other pair USD Canadian dollar I have already explained, and even Euro USD has also went up for some time. But overall, it was a very good day with the analysis. And for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Sell in the top red boundary. If you see that the market is dropping from the top red boundary, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is gaining the momentum from the lower red boundary, then you can take the buy positions, as you can see here. And also the scalper has also provided you with a buy signal. So that was a very easy trade, and take the swings like this and things will become very easy to trade in Forex. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. So overall guys, we have completed this week in a very good manner. And if you are interested to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this, please send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Also guys, if you want to join the Telegram group, then for the Telegram group, this is a special service where I send the premium signals. For Telegram group, you need to send your inquiries on the same email, info@200forexwebs.com. Thank you for watching the video.